Dowell laser holds a leading position in China in the research and development, manufacturing technology of laser equipment and the full industrial chain in the field of industrial lasers. Is a large-scale provider of laser intelligent manufacturing solutions in China. Dowell Laser directly addresses the pain points of the shipbuilding industry and independently developed high-end laser cutting machines, laser hybrid welding machines, laser cleaning machines, and other digital products in the industry. The goal is to achieve a 200% increase in efficiency and a reduction of over 70% in manpower. First, the three-dimensional intelligent warehouse line. The intelligent warehousing system is divided into the intelligent raw material storage yard and the raw material pretreatment line. The full process digital management platform realizes the automatic warehousing and outbound of raw materials and the printing of basic information, high-precision 3D scanning of workpiece information, automatic sorting of pallets by mechanical hands, high efficiency and stable rhythm. The automation rate has increased from 20% to 80%. It has greatly enhanced the digitalization and intelligence level of the factory. The large format thin plate cutting production line can fully automatically complete material picking and sheet separation and feeding. Laser cutting of plates is high speed and precise, with smooth cutting surfaces and no slag hanging. The cutting is completed with automatic sorting and blanking. The finished products are transported into the warehouse by the conveyor trolley. We'll sort the semi-finished products to the next production line for processing and use. Medium and heavy plate cutting production line in the shipbuilding industry. Automatic feeding and the laser marking of the entire board is completed at the feeding station. The conveyor tray conveys the plates to be cut to the cutting station for processing. The large format high-power laser cutting machine automatically locates the edge and then performs the cutting operation. Small finished products are automatically sorted by robots. Large items are transported from the conveying pallets to the large item sorting truss. The robot automatically discharges materials, automatically cleans the cutting waste, and recycles the material frame. The empty tray is returned to the cutting area to perform the next cutting task. Pipe cutting production line. Intelligently and automatically identify the pipe model for transporting raw materials, match and convey to the corresponding laser pipe cutting machine. Dowell Marine Pipe Material Dedicated Line. Fully automatic loading and unloading laser pipe cutting machine. Supports cutting of various types of pipes such as round pipes, square pipes, special shaped pipes, section steel, channel steel, and T-shaped steel. Drilling, cutting, and intersection lines can be completed in one go. Automatic slag removal, material discharge, and neat stacking. The intelligent welding production line established by the ship team. The flexible and picker control technology is integrated with multiple technologies such as precise grasping by visual algorithms. It realizes fully automatic loading and unloading. With a grasping success rate of over 95%, the robot's dual mechanical arms automatically complete assembly and spot welding. The efficiency is increased by 50% and the pass rate can reach 98%. No programming, no teaching, automatic weld seam tracking. The welding quality is high and the efficiency is 2 to 3 times that of manual welding. The flexible welding of small components adopts a 6-axis mechanical hand laser welding robot. Automatically identify the welding trajectory. Red light precisely locates the position of the weld seam. Dual machine collaborative simulation of welding trajectories. Automatic welding and real-time visual correction. The Dowell Laser Smart Factory for ships reduces labor costs, improves production efficiency, enhances production safety, and accelerates the advancement of the shipbuilding industry towards green, intelligent, and high-end directions.